Alright, you box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to another special live episode of The Box Breakers. We're here at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles on 24th Street and Osborne. Check him out, hit him up on Facebook, give Joe a call, he's lonely, he wants to hear from you. We got special guest star in the studio with us today, Mr. Abraham.
Hello.
How's it going?
Doing pretty good.
Alright, what do we got here today, Abraham? We got some awesome looking boxes.
So today's the official release date for Savage Strike for Yu-Gi-Oh! So it's the newest set. It's not the subset like we had last time with the Rose Legendary Rose support. So this is a main set. So you're going to get your secrets, you're going to get your ultra, supers, and rares. There's a lot of good cards in here. So a lot of people were speculating this box was going to be what's called a budget box. That being said, with the way the printings have been made and stuff like that, there are money cards being available. A lot of people are searching for the quote-unquote maxi-like card. There's the new pot card, which is also very powerful for non-extra based deck. So Monarchs might be able to play it. You have Subterra monster deck that plays it. Since the new Subterra card, Subterra grew, which we finally got from the transferred over from the OCP. So that's a new deck. A completely new deck that's also available in this deck is Salamandre. We had some previous support kind of splashed in other sets, but this is the first set that was really being released as a deck. And in a couple of weeks, the new structure deck will be coming out for it, so that's also something to look forward to for Salamandre.
Excellent. And then you said there were a couple cards that are worth decent money.
Yeah, so there's one card that will pay for the box and a little extra, and that's the Pot of Extravagance. That's the one that I mentioned a little bit earlier.
Pot of Extravagance?
That's correct.
Extravagant pot.
Exactly. Once you see it...
You think they did that on purpose?
Oh yeah, no, this game is known for their puns. The biggest pun that they have with Extravagance is that it bans your cards from your extra deck. So Extravagant, extra deck, that's the little pun in there.
Gotcha.
So they're really cool cards. A lot of people are trying to pick up play sets right now, so good value in getting rid of it, but depends on how competitive the card gets, how hard it is to pull, which at the moment it is a short printed card from what's been out in the market. So it's a pretty penny. So that's the one we would love to get. The second best card is a card that actually is equally as short printed and is worth about $60 right now.
Wow.
So Pot of Extravagance is worth about 80 to 90 in that range. And then we have our I don't remember the name because it's a very unique name. But it's like a $50
But you'll know when you see it?
Oh, instantly.
Okay.
They're calling it Thanos Dragon, so once you see it, you'll know. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to see a lot of these commons and uncommons over again. Oh, actually, I forgot to mention this. So another new TCG exclusive archetype that they just made, so it's only available in the States, is the Time Thief Redoer, or in TCG-based locations. So really cool cards. I recommend looking into them and keeping an eye out for them because they'll have a lot of cool cards that
All the Time Thief ones?
all of the Time Thief cards. And here's our first ultra rare.
This is funny.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, no, I missed it here too.
Yeah. And you came back in the perfect time. Not this week, this today, but something the next time. Talk to you.
Alright.
Prepare yourself.
Sweet.
So really cool card. Actually, do you want to spot? Do you know the Ghost Meets Girl card?
The what?
That's a no. It's okay.
No, the new hat chart?
No, the Ghost Meets Girl.
Oh, no. I didn't really look into this one.
You haven't looked at it? So it's a really cool card. If your opponent controls a monster, discard one zombie monster, special summon one Shiranui monster with a different name from your deck. Yeah, so this card lets you get Solitaire straight out of your deck, then you have to search out, do some really cool plays. Really cool card for zombie players.
I think I need two, three of them, right? 2, 3.
Detonate the leader.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You can discard Mizuki. There's plays. It's a really powerful card and it's an easy card. And if you like your pugs, you know, there's a little pug doing a suplex. Salaman Great, that's our first Salaman Great card. Subterra Succession.
Oh, this is for the box breakers on YouTube.
What?
Yeah.
box openings and stuff.
Yeah, so Box Breakers has been coming around here for a little while, and he's been snapping boxes, so it's really cool. And we get to see a lot of this new product fresh and firsthand. So that's another card that we just passed a little bit. We got the new Valkyrie support and the Guard Dragons. So we'll notice the Guard Dragons that we're aiming to hit are actually the supers, so they didn't max rarity them. So that's very nice for a lot of the people that are looking to get into some dragon support cards. Very powerful. We'll see a lot of play.
Common? What?
That's how they always do that.
They're common.
So there's another super, another rare.
Damn it.
No, guard dragon, so the only guard dragon that's
We got to transform.
grab this
And here's our first secret rare. We got super antique high war machine Mecha Thunder King. So it's actually funny because there's one of the gentlemen in the shops that's actually looking for these cards.
Cool.
Really good card. It's the first really actual playable anti-kaiju card, and can be used to get to net some real nice advantage. Cool card, really good to pull. That's our first secret.
Very
Let's
nice.
get a sleeve for that.
Abe's going to get us a sleeve right away. Thank you, sir.
No, it's my pleasure.
Guard Dragon Shield.
I'll just place that right there for you.
Perfect.
The box card.
Super Armored Robot.
Yeah?
Yeah, like actually 700 cards is the first time we had an ultra that was open.
How about a Trickstar
And here's
Reds.
another really good ultra. So let's go ahead and go back to that real quick. So this card for Trickstars, and with the new, if we get that secret for this card, it special summons out with 2 level 3 or lower Trickstar monsters, and then every time your opponent special summons or normal summons a monster, they burn for 200.
and Salaman Great Violet
Violet Chimera.
Chimera. All right. You gonna go through all these when we're done, Abe, and make sure we didn't miss anything good?
There's going to be some commons that are in rares that are worth a little bit more. Again, like the Time Thieves, they're all commons, but there's some that have a little bit of value. And this is another one of our ultras, TG Star Guardian. So for any of the people that are playing the new TG support, they will be looking for this card, including the secret.
Time Thief.
There's some combos that I'm slightly overlooking because there's a lot in this set.
Right.
I'll go ahead and toss these out real quick. Unless you're looking to collect these as well.
No, thanks.
And
Abe.
there's another one of our Ultra Cyber's Quantum Dragon. So Cyber's Quantum Dragon is a monster that can be used in Synchro-based decks as a protective measure. Focuses targets, focuses battle attacks. It's a really cool card.
TJ Screw Super.
One of my favorite cards of the set. We just passed it, Squirt Squid.
Squirt Squid. Why is that your favorite, Abe?
Oh, I just think it's really funny, first and foremost, and it can be played in decks such as Paleo and stuff like that.
We've gotten a lot of this guy already.
Yeah, so Bashir Nui got some new support in this archetype, which is actually what the Ghost meets Girl. That's the cool card right there. Elemental Hero Cosmo Neo. So this is one of the new Elemental Hero support cards that we just got.
And the reason why
That looks amazing.
the reason I want drums
Makes me want to work out.
I can make any like water or any
Oh yeah, I just remembered. I was supposed to do something for Brian.
out of Mr. Wire, but I still need to.
So I draw, and he told me, "Can you draw me Elemental Hero Neos' thighs?" And I'm like, why?
Please don't. Please talk. There's children that listen to this.
It's okay.
That's a really pretty card. It's a random fire support card. If they destroy one of your monsters, you can special summon this and destroy one of their cards and burn.
There you go, Kenny.
Pretty cool card right there.
Speed Burst Dragon. Clock Lizard. Oh, camera down. Oh no. Okay, we fixed it.
Just that part out.
You want to take over for a little bit? Just
If you see something good, you just love. If you know what, it's all right. We'll just go through them.
It's okay. I'll be back. Okay.
Okay, thanks, Abe. We're just looking for time thieves and anything really shiny. There's another squirt squid for Abe. Here's the prank kids. Thunderclap Monk. Heat of the Fire Charmer Ablaze.
You might not have gas as long as they're protected.
Another prank kids. Elemental Hero Brave Neos. And Fusion of Fire. Alright, here's our second half of the box. More prank kids. Borreload Savage Dragon.
That's the box card.
That's the box card? It's gotta be worth something.
Oh, did you guys want any squares?
Apple of Enlightenment.
The Super Bowl squares? Oh, you grabbed that out of your box.
Yeah. Because I was saying, that'd be something that you wanted for your.
Shinyaru, Spectacle, Sword, Shade. And
She's new. I've never seen her.
this one's new.
Yeah, I've never seen that card before.
And we have World Legacy, World Arc.
Way better, absolutely. Okay, that's kind of hard. That's a requirement.
Child's Play. Guard Dragon, Argapang.
What did
We
I
got
miss
we
out?
got the box card.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know about either of these.
So let's go ahead and go back to Savage Dragon real quick. I know that's well, we have Guard Dragon.
Here, yeah, let me get this one. Okay, this one's just okay.
No, it's a very good card. So all of the Guard Dragons, there's 3 of them from the extra deck. They let you special summon a dragon monster from a certain location. One of them from the banished or graveyard. The other one special summons from the deck, and this one special summons from the extra deck. So you're able to pull out some very powerful cards really quickly in a quick 1, 2, 3 set.
And it's for dragons, just as an archetype, so like Blue Eyes.
Typing. Any types.
Blue Eyes would make great use of it.
And then Guard Dragon and Drake.
Guard Dragon and Drake is actually a very interesting card. It can't be normal summon set, but when it's special summoned by a card effect, it gains double attack for a turn, so it becomes a 4,000 attack.
Really?
Yeah, so it's a really interesting card. Really
So this
fun
one go
insect.
back here, Abe?
Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
What about?
I actually don't know what Shino's Special Sword Shade does. So we have
Okay, we'll put that one over there. What about this
yeah.
one?
So the Savage Dragon is actually sitting around $25 to $30 at the moment.
Oh, perfect.
Yes, a very good card.
Way more than that, because I was expecting 15 so far. I knew it was going to be more than that eventually, but not so far.
Yeah, so a lot, as one of our Yu-Gi-Oh players said here. Yeah, so that's our second secret, TG's Trident Launcher. Good for the Trident decks. It's been a little bit common, so it's not worth as much as we would like, but it's still a secret and one of our hits for the box.
What about Salamander Great? This is our second one of these.
Yes, it is. So that card's not worth much. That card, as a common, is worth a little bit. So it's Arcus Nightmare. So definitely a card to set aside. It's going to be worth maybe $1 or $2.
Tomorrow we'll have
The other comments. So some of the comments that we have to keep an eye out for will be Orcus Nightmare, all of the Time Thief support, and then also Subterra Guru as a comment. So it's worth about 50 cents to $1 at the moment. Really good common. Makes the deck work.
Yeah.
Also this one?
No, those are.
Shinyaru Squire and Salaman Great Sunlight Wolf.
Yeah, that's the last thing support.
More prank kids. Trickstar Coralbane.
Trickstar?
Trickstar's got another field spell.
Yeah.
I got
Oh,
it. I pulled
they
that.
have light stage, arena, and live stage.
Yeah.
I haven't even read
It's so
it. What
light.
does it say?
You want to grab it for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
I want to know what it actually does.
And there are 2 separate noses in there.
All the Neos are
Here's a Guard Dragon LP. Interesting. Lapis Dragon.
What the hell is your whole deck? You know this?
I'll be generous.
Elemental Hero Brave Neos. And Guard Dragon Shield.
Remember when my YouTuber I watched told me about it?
That's for that guy when he comes in.
Okay.
You can just scoot it over.
Fateful Hour. Dark Factory of More Production.
I got under control of the card and I saw like storage. Okay. Okay, so it's just a token generator.
I know I could, but
Tokens?
Trickstar Band Sweet Guitar. That one looks awesome.
Smelling chicken nuggets. So it's like, you better eat.
Hit of the Fire Charmer Ablaze.
Or no, I pulled one and he didn't. It's always just
Last pack of the first
So
box.
this is what he pulled and we traded off because I gave him pot. Pulled both of the cards I
Neo's Fusion
full set.
and Trickstar Fusion.
I like that.
So the Trickstar field
All I know
spell
is
is
a token generator. So Savage Dragon
Good.
says when it's Synchro something.
I got
It also adds a Trickstar monster back from graveyard to hand as it's activated. So
It's also
You can move them there, kind of discard the gates activation. So
Trickstar's got a fusion too.
yeah, but
I got a Trickstar Fusion.
Did you?
Yeah, is that good?
And he got.
Oh, okay.
I got
so
Neo's Fusion.
The Ultra is also, I think, worth about $5.
I was
So
like, Trickstar Ultra.
So it's like if you activate something.
What about Neo's Fusion?
Ollie.
So a lot of the supers generally
Oh,
don't-
camera
hello
down again. Second time.
Camera down.
Camera down. Alright, we fixed it. Alright, let's see if we can get through box 2 in 10 minutes.
So if you just blow through it and pull aside the hollows, we can have a conversation about that.
Okay, do you want to look? Jeez.
Hello again.
So I was gonna ask, would this help his deck in any way? Us?
Actually, you know what? We'll just go ahead and end this now, and we'll do box number 2 in a second video. So stay tuned for that. Hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can be alerted to that one as soon as we get that one up and released here on the Box Breakers. We're out.
they're gonna report